Hi guys. Oh my god, I'm so scary right now. I'm putting on one of these lip masks. This is a nighttime routine. This is one of those KNC Beauty all natural collagen infused lip masks. They're not that great to talk in. A lot of you have been asking night routine, so I was just going to do a little night routine for you. I don't think that's gonna happen. Okay. I did find this new toothpaste that I'm kind of obsessed with right now. And it's all natural coconut oil toothpaste. What's the deal with your texting thing? Haven't received anything. The texting thing isn't working that well, but what I will tell you guys to do is go to jamiemakeup.com and join my crew. I won't be annoying, but I'll send you, well, some might think I'm annoying, but I'm gonna send you guys emails about different things I'm doing, and then I'm randomly gonna start picking people to send swag bags to. Okay, so first things first, I'm really into using some sort of glycolic. These Peter Thomas Roth Max Complexion Correction Pads, which I love saying because Max Complexion Correction rhymes. I'm like super into it. And then the Bio Peel from Neogen Dermalogy. And then this glycolic, the Magic Pads. These are all different types of glycolics that I'm like super into. They do sting a little bit, but when you're old like me, you kind of want that. It means it's working. Now I did pick, look at that, we'll talk about that. So, this actually burns so much that it makes my eyes water. I don't know if that's a good thing, but I've been using it lately and everyone's like, your skin looks amazing. And I always do the neck too, and the décolleté a little bit. So I've been using these glycolics and all these pads. Wow, this one has double-sided soft texture acne pads, anti-aging benefits, pore minimizer. It has 2% salicylic acid, 10% glycolic acid, soothing arginine, allantonin. I think I went to high school with him. It's for normal combination problem type people. Well, that's me. So these are great. So I've been really into the Honest Beauty. This is an all natural. You can sleep in it. I definitely smell some like grapeseed oil. I'm obsessed. I was just at Honest today and I had a really fun time. Got some diapers for babe. Next, I love a spray. Now you don't have to do this many things at night, but you do what you want to do. This is Skyn Iceland solution for stressed skin. So if you feel like you've had more stress in your skin or you've been out more, trying to get rid of those blue lights, from our phone, and just, toxic people, you want to just spray them out of your wet. No, I'm just kidding. Just from all the toxins. So I'm just gonna spray some of this. I already cleansed myself before I saw you guys. Obviously I took off all my makeup. I used my favorite, my son took it. Hold on, I'm gonna get it for you because you should know about this. Face halo to take off your makeup. All you need is water and this. My kids steal them and use them in the bathtub. That's no good. Then is Clinical Cleansing Complex. It's the best. Now I've sprayed it and then I'm gonna put on some sort of serum. Superfood for the face. Here are some of my favorites right now. The Joanna Vargas Rescue Serum. And I'm gonna try to do some different price ranges for you. The Vintner's Daughter, the Active Botanical Serum. Now this is a new one I just tried. This is the Glow Cycle Retin-ALT Power Serum from OLEHENRIKSEN. I love this, but I will tell you, it is not for the faint. It definitely stings and burns. So if you can handle really crazy stuff, the Advanced Night Repair from Supercharged Complex from Estée Lauder, this is the strongest eye cream I've ever used, but it's too strong for me. But I will tell you that it's great. Oh my God, what are we doing about this? This is gonna be me in like when I'm 80. How do you balance being a mom of 3 and working? I have a lot of help. I just took a bath with put my daughter, babe, to sleep, and then I took my 8-year-old and my 4-year-old, and I totally took a bath with them just now. Wish I could Instagram that. Okay, and then the other thing is the Active Serum from Is Clinical. I'm gonna use this and an oil tonight because I'm like super dry. So you do 5. This is like a retin-A. It's gonna deal with this is not moisturizing. This is literally like a vitamin for your face. I like to use it. This is like really one of their hero products, the Active Serum. And when I went to Shani Darden to get a facial, she was like, you have to use it. I was, all right, let me get through with this because again, I wanna go watch Homecoming because I'm really into it. I'm gonna do an oil because I just feel like I wanna do an oil. Again, I was just there today, that's why everything's Honest, but this Honest Organic Beauty Facial Oil, super delicious and like more affordable. So I'm gonna put this over it. I'm going for like extra hydration tonight. Now I'm gonna be using the Kate Somerville in the Deep Huffing Eye Balm. So it's a stick. Ooh. So you know like everybody has those jade rollers? This is what it feels like. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with this. This is new to me. Look, and you can get in on those wrinkles right here. Oh, this is starting to sting a little bit. What's in it that's making it sting? It's a Deep Huffing Eye Balm. It says AM, PM, used twice a day, apply directly to eye area morning and night. Not sting in a bad way, sting like something's working. Advice on transitioning your career from events and weddings to, okay. I did it the old fashioned way where you find someone you like and you totally become their shadow. I did like 2 years of shadowing big artists. So we did that. Now we need to put on a cream. Daily Hydrating Cream from Joanna Vargas. Oh, is it nice. First of all, Joanna, if you could make a perfume that smells like this cream, I would just freak out. Here are 2 other creams, I forgot I had these, that I'm so obsessed with. The Pestle and Mortar Hydrate, it's a lightweight moisturizer. It's amazing, so if you want something a little more lightweight. In Your Face by Denice Duff. Denice with a C. That's always really good too. Do you put on your skin when you're taking long flights? Okay, that's a great question. When I get on like a red eye, I actually don't do as many steps, but I definitely take off all my makeup. I know it's like, I will do like an amazing mask and sit on the plane with a crazy mask and people like look at me and I'm like, I don't care, it's gonna be great. And I'll put on something like super heavy, like Chuda, and just like lather on the thickest thing I can find. You will look crazy on the plane, but it's okay. And then like people won't bother you and you can sleep and you put your things on. All right, really quick, Deep Exfoliating Mask, Dr. Sebagh, love it. Also the Blue Flame Purification Mask by Astara, obsessed. This is great to put on as it if you want. So if you not sleeping with anybody, go for this one. If you are and you want something clear, the Anti-Spot Fast Fix from Murad is amazing. Oh, the Kate Somerville Eradicate. Also, if you're having back problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems and a back is one. I've been trying these CBD oil. So Lord Jones, the high CBD formula, and then Apothecana Calming Body Cream is another CBD. I'm just bouncing back from a back sitch. I'm gonna do 2 more things. Now that I've done everything is usually when I'll go sit in my bed and do some sort of mask, and this is the Skyn Iceland eye masks. If you guys look on my Instagram, I just put Angelique Cabral in the Wander Beauty like gold eye patches, and those are amazing too. But these are good for drop off when you're dropping your kids off or your dog off, whatever you drop off. Anyway, so then I'll put this on. I have so many things on. Last but not least, my brows. vegaBROW Volumizing Serum for thicker, fuller, faster. So this is what I've been doing lately. And you just put it all over where you want hair. And I'm praying that one day I wake up and I am the hairiest person you've ever laid eyes on. Oh, and now the last thing I do before I go to bed, I take this Port and Polish, which is the cutest little case, and I take my vitamins every night. I really believe in vitamins, and it's getting to be that season. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for having me, y'all.